Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Alfa Romeo Giulia door panel. First, gather your essential tools like a plastic trim removal kit and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Having a clean cloth and a small container for screws will keep your workspace organized. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect your car's battery before touching any electrical components to prevent accidental shorts. Next, we'll focus on disconnecting the various components. Gently pry up the window switch panel with your trim tool, then carefully disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their small release tabs. You'll also need to unclip the door handle cable from its housing and lever. Taking a quick photo of each connection before you disconnect, it can be a huge help when it's time to put everything back together. Now let's get to the main event, removing the panel itself. Locate and remove all visible Torx screws, typically 2 or 3, which are often hidden under small caps or trim pieces. Once the screws are out, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the retaining clips. With all clips free, gently lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and push firmly around the edges to engage all the retaining clips. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable, ensuring they click securely into place. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks, plus other great deals. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and test all functions, including the windows and door lock, to ensure everything is working perfectly before you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.